Welcome to RP Hub. In this video, we'll generate funnel chart using Power BI. This is the sixth video which we are discussing it about. I've already covered 5 more videos in my previous sections. So if you wanted to learn from scratch, feel free to follow my complete playlist. And if you wanted to get certificates from RP Hub, feel free to complete the playlist and share the screenshots with me with your email ID. I will share you the Power BI completion certificates with you. At any point of time, if you have any queries, questions, feedback, and suggestions, feel free to add in the comment sections. Now, today's topic is a funnel chart. Let's understand what is funnel chart. A funnel chart helps you to visualize a linear process that has sequentials, connected stages. A common use for a funnel chart is to track sales customer through stages such as lead, qualified lead, prospect, contracts, close. At glance, the shape of the funnel conveys the health of your process you are tracking. So each funnel stages represent a percentage of the total. In most cases, a funnel chart is shaped like a funnel where the first stage is the largest and each subsequential stage is smaller than its predecessor. A pear-shaped funnel is also useful and can help identify a problem in the process. Typically, the first stage, called the intake stage, is the largest. When to use a funnel chart? Funnel charts are key choices for many scenarios, which we'll discuss here in detail. So when the chart progress of sequential data through at least 4 stages, chart items where the amount in the first stage is expected to be greater than the amount in the final stage. This will also calculate potentials such as the revenue, sales, deals, and score on by stages. Calculate and track conversions and retention rates, reveal bottlenecks in a linear process, track the workflow for a shopping cart, track the progress and success of click-through advertising and marketing campaigns. So these are some of the examples where we will utilize funnel charts. So in this video, we'll see how we can generate the funnel chart. If you have already integrated the data, you can see all those data are listed here. If you want to generate funnel charts, you can always select funnel from here and add the category and value informations. So under the category, let's consider I wanted to add as order date. Here we have the order date available, and inside the value, I will add the value. Similarly, we can also add the quantity where you can see set of funnels are generated. As I mentioned, you can see here, the first set is the largest, that is intake, as compared to the next one. This is smaller than this predecessor. This is how funnel charts will be generated very efficiently. And if you have observed, we did not perform any much operations. We have just dragged and dropped category and value. Based on that, this funnel is generated. So as for the sequential process of the Power BI, we have not did a single line of code. If you will compare with other applications, definitely you have to go ahead with a lot of coding, and based on that, this funnels will be generated. So it's a very simple, crystal clear informations will be generated. Whenever you want, just click on focus and this board will be expanded. Here, you can also revert with this options where I will just add category. Yeah. Now we have this data available. If you want, you can export this data and save it into the CSV file, which can be shared with any of your team member. We can also have spotlight sections. If you want, even we can sort their axis like order quantity, sum of order number, sorting, ascending as well as descending order. This is how we can generate funnel charts in Power BI. Hope this will be useful. If you think so, this is a good video and you want to share with any of your colleagues who is looking forward to learn about Power BI, feel free to share with them. And Trust me, this complete playlist is going to help you to add additional skill set in your profile. So make sure to watch this complete playlist from start. That's all for today. Thank you for watching and keep exploring Power BI.